How to get hired on VirtualStaff. VirtualStaff.ph is designed to help you build a stable remote career with full-time and long-term job opportunities. Follow these steps to maximize your success on VirtualStaff.ph. Step 1. Create a great profile. Your profile serves as your resume and is the first thing potential employers see. A well-crafted profile increases your chances of receiving job offers. Follow these best practices. Upload a professional photo to create a strong first impression. Highlight your skills, experience, and certifications to showcase your expertise. Write a compelling introduction that explains your strengths and what you bring to the table. Set your preferred salary and availability so employers know your expectations. A complete and detailed profile makes you stand out and attracts more job opportunities. Step 2. Explore and apply for jobs. The Find Jobs section allows you to browse and apply for jobs that match your skills and interests. Use filters to refine job searches by industry, work type, and salary. Click on job listings to view detailed job descriptions and employer requirements. Submit applications with a tailored cover letter explaining why you're the right fit for the role. Track your applications in the job application section. Save interesting job listings under the Bookmark Jobs section to apply later. Step 3. Manage job offers. If an employer is interested, they will send you a job offer through the platform. Review the offer details, including salary, job role, and working hours. Compare multiple offers before accepting the one that best suits your goals. Once accepted, your job details will appear under My Employer, and you can begin working. Step 4. Start working and track your hours. After accepting a job, use the time tracker to log your hours accurately and ensure proper payment processing. Record your work sessions to maintain transparency with your employer. Ensure that your logged hours align with your employer's expectations. Regular tracking helps avoid payment disputes and ensures a smooth workflow. Step 5. Get paid securely. Receiving payments is simple and secure with salaries and withdrawal methods on VirtualStaff.ph. Employers process salary payments through the platform. Easily create and submit your salary request by filling in the required details, selecting your withdrawal method, and adding billable work hours. Set up direct bank transfers or other withdrawal methods for seamless transactions. No middlemen, no hidden fees, just direct payments to your account. Additional features for talent. Inbox. Stay connected with employers. Communicate securely with employers using the built-in inbox feature. Keep all job-related conversations in one place. Requests. Manage leave applications. Need time off. Submit leave requests and track approval status under requests. Expenses. Get reimbursed for work-related costs. Submit invoices for approved work-related expenses and track their payment status. Help and support. Get assistance anytime. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help and Support section for answers to common questions and direct assistance from our support team. By following these steps, you can successfully find and secure long-term job opportunities on VirtualStaff.ph while ensuring a smooth working and payment process. Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines. Hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.